Okay, so lately I've been playing a lot more Stadia. It's convenient that I have actually two controllers, because when one dies, just grab the other. Issue is, there's gotta be a better way to charge. So, looking for a charging dock, but because it's Stadia, no one really has anything. So I did find this at a Best Buy. It's supposed to go for Pro controllers for a Switch, but a Switch Pro controller does have Type-C and a similar design. So we're gonna open this up and hopefully this will work for our needs. So shouldn't be much in there except for the charger. Don't think really need instructions. Display. Barrel drum. Let me go plug this in real quick. Alright, got the towel right there. Basic rubber feet on the bottom. Alright. So on the photo they have the button placement like this. So let's see if it fits. Where is the Type-C? Ooh! I got life. Seems to be working. Ah, I see the problem. Cannot do. Oh. No, it's actually just perfect, actually. That one's turned on. That one seems to be working. It's going to be a tight fit, but it does seem to be perfect for two controllers. Now, well, I did charge this one last night. That's why it's green. That makes sense. So it looks like for a single charge, perfect for two. A little tight, but it'll work. Gotta get used to the placement. Charging. After a few seconds, this should give me green. Tricky to get the placement correct. Oh, yes. Obviously you can tell when it's in. It will vibrate. This one should be green in a second. Was charged the other day. There you go. So it seems to be working. Yeah, it's makeshift, but it does work. Alright, so real quick. So you do know fits, charging. A little tight, a little snug, but no issue there. And let's see, this specific one has rapid charging, safe charging, which is good. Where did I see this? Yeah, so choose to, you can charge two controllers at the same time. It does have some weight to it, so it's not going to fall over. It does show the LED power, so overage, overcurrent, over temperature protection, which I think is a great thing to have for a controller. So test it out, see how it goes. But all in all, it's doing the job, man. It's not that expensive. You don't have to do until someone actually brings a docking station out for them, which will probably be a while.